this video, I want to show you how to use the Save to PDF feature in Crow's Nest. Crow's Nest will generate custom reports for many areas of Crow's Nest. In this example, we're going to use an invoice. I have an invoice here and I would like to generate a report that I can save as a PDF and email to my customer. So I right-click the invoice and I choose Save to PDF. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. And now we'll go ahead and open that PDF. And now I can see that my report's been generated and I have this PDF that I could go ahead and email to my customer. But let's say that I didn't want to use this invoice format. I had another invoice that I wanted to use. Maybe I wanted to use one that looked different, like this. I have this invoice that I want to use this different format. So I need to tell Crow's Nest to use that format instead of the one it's currently using. So to do that, I'm going to go up to Settings, Custom Reports, and I'm going to find my invoice reports. Now in Crow's Nest, all the invoice reports will start with a capital CN_invoice, and I can see here I've got my whole list of reports. Now the one that I want, this one, I know is a report called Pay Application AIA. And I know that this one over here is a report called CN Invoice. You see that one's on the top, so that's why Crow's Nest is choosing that to be the default report. So if I want Crow's Nest to choose the AIA, then I need to rename that so it comes to the top of my list here. So I'm going to right click it, choose rename, and I'm just going to leave the name the same. I'm going to put an asterisk so it goes to the top. Alright, now if we go back to our project and we save that same PDF, we'll just override, we'll give this one a new name. We'll just put a big X here on the front so I know this is the updated one, and we'll hit save. Okay, now we'll go ahead and view this report, and you can see that now it's using that other format as the default report to save as PDF for invoice.